The sky turned a soft charcoal gray as the first drops of winter rain whispered against the roof. Inside, the world felt safe, wrapped in the scent of damp earth and old wooden beams. Grandmother was already at her post, her hands moving with a rhythmic grace that only decades of love could teach. She knew that today required her secret remedy. Every vegetable was chosen with care, washed in cold spring water. There were no measurements here, only memories and the intuition of a heart that knows how to heal. Then came the secret, a pinch of something golden and fragrant. She called it patience. But we knew it was the magic that turned a simple meal into a warm hug. From the porch, we watched the village disappear behind a veil of mist. The cold air nipped at our noses, but the warmth from the kitchen promised something wonderful. The table was set with the same chip bowls we had used for years. In this house, perfection wasn't in the china, but in the hands that filled it. Before the meal, there was always tea, dark, strong, and sweet. It cleared the dampness from our bones and prepared us for the feast ahead. When Father returned from the fields, the house felt complete. The rain could howl outside all it wanted. Inside, we were an island of warmth. That first sip always felt like coming home. It tasted of earth, summer sun, and grandmother's quiet strength. The world felt right again. As the rain turned into a gentle lullaby, we drifted into a deep, soup-warmed sleep. Tomorrow would bring new chores, but tonight, we were safe in grandmother's love.